Hey everybody, so I got a new meat grinder. This one was sent over to me to review, and I'll show you everything that's in here, and then we'll grind something up with it. This will also make sausages. Now, I don't have any casing, so I won't be doing any sausage itself, but I'll show you how you set it up for that. You do get the extra cutters or dies, whatever you want to call those, different sizes. So you could do a smaller grind or a larger grind. You do have your little sausage spout thing. I don't know what it's called personally. You got your little plunger, so you can press your meat down in. We have our grinder itself. Press the button here at the top, you'll easily be able to pull this off. And then you're going to set up those dies in here for how large of a grind you want. So if you want like a thick ground beef or pork, whatever it might be, you could use the bigger ones or you can use the finer ones. The finer ones might be a little better for like sausage. But you'll just unscrew that, and this is how you're gonna clean it too. You can pull these dies out. So after you pull your die off, you got your little blades, and then you got your auger, and it'll all go back in the same way. Now I do need to clean this because there is oils and stuff from the factory. So let me go ahead and get this all cleaned up, and then we'll grind up something. All right, so we got everything washed. Now, if you're wanting to do the sausage, you're just gonna wanna put this in here, and then screw that down, and then you'll put your casing on here, and then your sausage will go through there. Now, you don't really have to worry about it as much with something like this, but meat grinders, you always want to make sure your hands are clear. They don't go inside because, well, it will chew up your hand. Commercial units will definitely do that. This one's a lot smaller. You're not really going to get a finger down in there. All right, so you can grind pretty much any meat with this. You can do chicken, pork, beef, whatever it might be. I'm going to be doing some chicken today. Definitely a cheaper way to do your ground chicken if you got one of these. So we'll go ahead and we'll turn it on. Actually, since that's a little loud, you want to cut up your meat into small enough chunks that will actually fit in there a little easier. I just do kind of like stew chunks. All right, there you go. You get fresh ground chicken. You can make your own ground meat fresh at home. You know exactly what's going into it. You know exactly the proportions of the fat, the meat, all of that ratio. And you know, it's just nice to be able to do your own. Now you can take this ground chicken and you can do tacos, or you can always make your homemade chicken nuggets, whatever you might want to do with that. All right, so this was the meat grinder. It chewed the meat up pretty easily, pretty quick. And yeah, I would recommend it.